Okay, still in the bus, going down Washburn Way. Have an after-school program, so just let the last kids off about 5:14. It's now 5:20. I'm heading to Southside Bypass, going towards the shop, and I'm going to get fuel. And I'm making a mark on time stamp, so that if I need this video to prove the time, I'm going to. The school district is being real tight on paying people, so I'm going to say that I know the case. Today is December 8th, 2022. I want you to know that it's snowing, and so I'm going to shut up for a minute and use this part of the video for YouTube. Slush. Okay, here's the exit. Southside Bypass. 5:24 p.m. Started my after school at 4 o'clock. So that's an hour and a half right now. Merging. Driving 45 miles an hour. There's an approaching school bus. I'll show you a procedure for fueling propane. This is a propane bus. $5.26 now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Probably ought to be going a little bit slower than what I am. 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. 6 seconds behind that car. Gives me plenty of time to stop if something happens in front. I'm only going 35 miles an hour now. Tank. I got to drive out to Bonanza in the morning, so I got to fill up. Do not have enough. Well, I do probably, but it's going to be very close. I'd be bouncing off empty if I didn't do it. I am not going to run out of fuel. It's 5:28 now. We were told that if you go over a certain time, you go in 15-minute increments. So like if I go to 5:31, that means I've got 15 more minutes on the time, which is safe. It's easier for them in the office. There's a road, looks like this is just from 4 o'clock this afternoon, all this snow. They say it's only going to last until 9 o'clock. Okay, here's a fueling station. So I'm turning in here. I'm going to get propane. A lot of buses pull straight in here, but I like to go sideways because I think it gets more fuel in it. But we'll see. All right, just getting to the fuel station. Pulling around here. I pull right up to the sidewalk here, and I've got 48096.0, but we only go to 48096. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this off, and then I'll do the other part of it. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, shut my headlights out, go back to the back of the bus, and turn off the child check deactivation switch. And I should have, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to sweep up the floor, and there's some paper there. The kids aren't supposed to be eating on the bus, but they do. They don't listen a lot of times. They're just little kids. So here's what Harley made a big mess. Had to write her up. I wrote up a couple of kids today. Here's all their stuff they leave. Okay, now I get this paperwork out here. I take coffee with me in the morning, and my gloves. Get this out. That's my coffee, my dad's thermos. That's my dad's thermos from when he was a logger, a long time ago. And here's my book. I have to get my fuel card out. And see, 12.5, I had 47781. I got 70.86 gallons, 480.96. It's Thursday. This is a pre-trip stuff. Spraying. Okay, tomorrow's the last day. I gotta turn all that in. Can't turn it in. Okay, heading back to the shop now. It's 5:45. I am going to go home. So today, on my time, on my after school, I got an hour and a half, and on my fueling up, I got a half an hour. Cleaning up and fueling up, I got a half an hour. So this afternoon, on extra time, I got 2 hours. And I have a full tank, ready to go in the morning. Pull over here, put my stuff in the truck. In my car. Then I'm going to head to get some hamburgers. There's my Jeep. Okay, that's it, guys. 5:47. And I'm just going to go park and get out of here.
Did not move forward with the lawsuit, which alleged had Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita lead chief investigation on frivolous complaints against her. Attorney General Rokita claimed Bernard broke privacy laws by telling the child's story.
God. Turn your lights up. Okay, I'm heading home. Time is 6:01 or 6:02 or something like that. And I'm going to go get some Wendy's hamburgers. Now this is in Klamath Falls, and this is Green Springs Drive. And we're going to go around you can go up over the hill and go down and cut it off, but I don't want to go up the hill. I want to go around here. We're going to go through downtown Klamath and round out. You can see the river out here where they say the Klamath Falls is. It's about a 2-foot drop for the falls. That's what I was told anyway. Probably something I went to high school here in 1974 and graduated. A lot of snow in Klamath. Used to when I was growing up. I think we got more snow then. But, I hope it snows all night and get a snow day tomorrow, so we don't have to go to work. Still get paid for it. So there's no after-school program tomorrow. You can't see it in back, but that's the river and whatnot down there. So what I'm gonna do is just film it, let you guys see what I see all the time. I see eagles out here, I see ducks, geese, pelicans, deer, cows, all kinds of wildlife out here. And we're way up on the mountain. We're a mile high here, and we're cut off from Interstate 5, and we have no voting rights here because we're too small to have any voting rights. Poland takes all that. And I guarantee you that we are very conservative here in Klamath. We love our guns, we love our rights, we believe in God, and we don't want our kids to be taught this transgender bullshit. Anyway, I'm just going to shut up and let you enjoy this drive. See some of these old houses. It's like they belong in a horror movie. Some of these places. There's a big old house over here. Let's see. There it comes up. They got it all lit up. Look at that place. That's like the Adam family house. Look at that one. Some places are something else. Probably the city. Look at that. That's amazing. Miss Fable Museum. We went to school with her. Cute little thing. Now we're going into downtown Klamath Falls. There's the river. This is a famous hotel, I guess. Baldwin Hotel. That's not Alec Baldwin. That's a Baldwin Hotel. Old. My dad was telling us that Klamath Falls used to be quite the place. Wooden sidewalks. They still have a law here that you can shoot rattlesnakes on the sidewalks. Here's the old train right there. Climb on that thing. Can't do that anymore, they got it all blocked off. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Someone's there? Community service, tell me go away. Okay, well, let's see from here. This is all city buildings. That's Fairfield, Montana. What's the name? That's a place. bad hip also because they made him drive fast. It's the overpass. Railroad tracks under here. When we were in high school, after high school, so our neighbor Mark Mozart decided he wanted to be a cop. And he's always a little turd. But one time underneath this bridge, while there was a bunch of homeless people, and it's cold, and they built a fire in some burning barrels. And Mark Mozart had to put them out. Well, the next day they found a couple of people frozen to death, laying beside burning barrels, and he made them put out. Nice guy. True story. So I'm going to get some chili, Wendy's famous chili, and 2 double meat burgers, whatever that's going to be. I don't know. We'll see. No, I don't know. What's that? Anything else? We're going to eat. Here's these. Okay, just these. We'll see what the price are here.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hold on 1 second.
No worries, take your time.
Does that bacon pub have 2 meats?
I'm sorry, you said the pretzel bacon pub?
Yeah.
It could come as a single, double, or triple, but we also have a chicken option.
Give me 2 double meat bacon pretzel.
2 double pretzel bacons?
Yeah, that, not, and 2 orders of chili and cheese with onion.
Alrighty, and those are small or large for your chilies?
Large.
With cheese and onion?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
Okay, read that back to me.
Of course, we got 2 double pretzel bacon pubs and 2 large chilies with cheese and onion.
That's it.
Alrighty, that's $27.20 at the first and out.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right. Is it going to snow all night?
Maybe. Have a great night.
I hope it does, because I drive school bus. If it does, I don't have to go for a snow day. All right, now home we go. So for the shop over here, it's 14 minutes, 16 seconds. It's not bad. We'll have to $27 for a meal. I don't know. We're close to that. Sure, $27. That's what I said. Pretty good. Okay. Now 1 gallon milk. Nice little milk. Thank you. Now we'll hold it up. Go ahead, Bob. That's well planned. That's good. Watch out. We talked about that. Go up Hope Street where we grew up. Our house burnt down, but I will show you where we grew up. The house next to it looked like our house. Except for we had a porch with a cover on it. Yeah, so so big. This Hope Street that we grew up on. Probably from the 2nd grade, or yeah, maybe 1st grade even. Until graduated out of high school, then moved. See this house right here, which is gone. And then this house right here was an identical house to ours. That's what our house looked like right there. It's burnt down though. Had the same floor plan. Carlsons used to live there. Bentleys used to live right here. Grew up with them. Was in that cherry tree. Yeah. One house right there, wired. There's trees. I don't know how many trees there's about. It's one. And one house right here. Yeah, right here. Right here's one house. Make a right turn here on Homedale. Go home. I'm going home. That guy's driving crazy. Idiot. Thinks he's drifting.